gotta do, and I've gotta like it or not. She's got dreams too big for this town, and she needs to give them a shot wherever they are.
Looks like I'm already leaving, nothing left to pack.
Ain't no room for me in that car, even if she asked me to tag along. Gotta be strong.
I'm at the starting line of the rest of my life, as ready as I've ever been. Got the hunger and the stars in my eyes, the prize is mine to win.
She's waiting on my blessings before she hits that open road. Baby, get ready.
Oh, I'm ready.
Get set. Don't falling apart. I painted this big old smile on my face to hide my broken heart. If only she knew.
This is where you don't say what you want so bad to say.
This is where I want to, but I won't get in the way of her and her dream and spreading her wings. Before she hits that open road, baby, get ready. Get set. Don't go.
I'm at the starting line of the rest of my life, as ready as I've ever been. Got the hunger and the stars in my eyes, the prize is mine to win.
She's waiting on my blessings before she hits that open. Baby, get ready. Get set. Please don't go. Don't go.
Let me go now.
Don't go.
I'll be alright. I'll be okay. Know that I'm thinking of you each and every day.
She's gotta do what she's gotta do.
Let me go now.
She's gotta do what she's gotta do.
I gotta do what I gotta do.
She's gotta do.
I'm through with standing in line to clubs I'll never get in. It's like the bottom of the ninth and I'm never gonna win this. Life hasn't turned out quite the way I want it to be.
Tell me what you want.
I want a brand new house on an episode of Cribs, and a bathroom I can play baseball in, and a king-size tub big enough for 10 plus me.
So what you need?
I'll need a credit card that's got no limit, and a big black jet with a bedroom in it. Gonna join the Mile High Club at 37,000 feet.
Been done.
I want a new tour bus full of old guitars, Mine Star on Hollywood Boulevard. Somewhere between Cher and James Dean is fine for me.
So how you gonna do it?
I'm gonna trade this life for fortune and fame. I'd even cut my hair and change my name. Cause we all just wanna be big rock stars and live in hilltop bosses, driving 15 cars. The girls come easy and the drugs come cheap. Well, I'll stay skinny cause we just won't eat, and we'll hang out in the coolest bars and the VIP with the movie stars. Every good gold digger's gonna wind up there. Every playboy bunny with a bleached blonde hair. And well, hey, hey, I wanna be a rock star. be great like Elvis without the tassels. Hire 8 bodyguards that love to beat up assholes. Sign a couple autographs so I can eat my meals for free.
I have the quesadilla.
I'm gonna dress my